Okay. Yep, no, I'm all set here. Thank you. Hello, hello. My name is Lee and I will be taking care of you today. What's bringing you into the clinic? You feel like you've been hearing less lately? Okay, and is that just out of one ear, both ears? Seems like both. And how long has that been going on for? Okay. Have you been to any recent concerts lately? Wearing music too loud in your AirPods? Any like ear trauma that you can identify? Okay. Are you noticing any drainage coming out of the ear? Okay. Have you been into swimming pools recently? Deep diving at all? Okay. And have you traveled recently by air, in an airplane, or? Okay. I'm sorry, you said how long was this going on for? Okay. Gotcha. You said both ears equally, one's not worse than the other? Okay, just making sure. Are you noticing redness, swelling, any skin changes to either ear? Any history of hearing problems, or do you ever have to use like a hearing aid, or? Okay. Any recent cold, flu infections that we should be aware of? Any new medications that you're taking? So it's all been pretty stable? Okay. Gotcha. And has your smoking or drinking status changed at all since we last saw you? Okay. Can you confirm the primary contact number that we have on file? And email? Yeah, we got that. Can you confirm a pharmacy that you'd like us to send scripts to if you do ever need a prescription? Okay, let's get a chart going for you here. What's gonna happen is I'll take your vitals, just make sure everything looks good from that standpoint. How tall are you, by the way? Okay, and how much do you weigh? All right, so how about we get your vitals and then we'll do an ear inspection, kind of test certain things, hearing, do like a physical exam, and then just kind of see if we can identify what's been going on with your hearing. Okay, cool. Just making sure you are good to go with that plan. All right. Do you have an arm preference when it comes to blood pressure readings? Okay. All right. How are you doing otherwise today? It is a beautiful day, I know. It really just puts you in the best moods. I'm going to use this arm if that's okay with you. There you go. Does that feel snug? Good. Okay. Let's take a quick listen here. Alright, blood pressure is normal. Let me get the extra air out of that for you before I slide it off your arm. Alright, and if you wouldn't mind sliding them out. There you go, thank you. Yeah, for sure. Did you come with anybody today? Just you? Yeah, that should be fine. All right, let's do a temperature check. Tends to be a lot of people's favorite part. as always, this is going to go underneath the tongue, okay? It's just going to sit for a few seconds. Okay. This is going to go underneath your tongue. Yeah, sometimes it messes with me, but okay. The temperature is good. Let's get a little alcohol swab here. Okay. Let's get that sanitized and wiped down. What did I do? Oh, there it is. All right, we are all done with that. So what I am going to do is, if you wouldn't mind, I'll actually have you lay on that medical exam table behind you. I'm going to get all of the equipment set up for like a short hearing test, vibration test of the ears. We'll take a look inside your ears, and hopefully we'll be able to rule out like an ear infection and stuff like that. For sure. So I'm going to give you some privacy, and then I will come back in the room and set myself up with you, and then we'll get your hearing and ear test going. Awesome. Okay, let me give you some privacy here. Are you ready for this hearing test? Okay. So actually, before we do the hearing test, let's just do a general inspection of the ears and just make sure that I don't see anything super obvious and that you're not having any pain. So let me just pull this out here. Just going to grab a pen. Alright, and just to see your ears better, I am just going to put this around your forehead here, just to kind of keep the hair out of the way. There you go. Alright, so we'll do a general inspection first. I'm going to look at this ear, just kind of on the outside to make sure it doesn't look red or swollen. Nothing super obvious. I'm going to check this ear. Reach. Okay, again, nothing really super obvious on the outside. I am going to press now on the outer parts of your ear. You let me know if anything causes you discomfort or pain. Any pain here? What about here? So no irregular pain here. And what about the back near your skull base here? Nothing? Okay. Let me check this ear. Any pain here? You let me know if there is. Okay. And this oracle looks normal as well. Okay, very good. The next thing is, let's actually test for vibratory senses. So I'm going to have you close your eyes. You let me know if you feel the vibration on your ear, okay? We're going to test different parts. Okay, yep, let me know when it stops too. Vibratory senses appear intact on this ear. Let's do this one. Good. Okay. Good, good. Okay, that's awesome. So vibratory senses are good. And then external examination doesn't reveal any signs of otitis externa or an external ear infection. There's no redness or swelling. Next thing is, we're going to be doing different senses for hearing, or like different tests for hearing. I'm going to have you close your eyes again. You let me know when you hear a click and on what side. Good. 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 Awesome. We'll do another version of that, okay? So keep your eyes closed for me. Yep, it's a ringing sound. Good. Good. Good job. Good job. Good. Very good. All right. So hearing, so far so good. There is one last hearing test. If you could cover this ear over here, and I'm just going to whisper something in your other one. Comment, like, subscribe. What did I say? Awesome. Awesome. To cover that ear again. 1, 2, A, B. Good. Okay, we're going to do this side now. So cover this ear. Enjoy the video. What did I say? Glove sounds, my goodness. Okay. A, B, C. Perfect. All right. So far, so good with hearing. So that's always good. So if there is some hearing impairment, it just doesn't seem super severe by any means. Okay. So we've done all that testing. Let's see what else we're waiting on. Okay, so I am going to take a scope right now so I can take a look inside of your ears. Shouldn't be too uncomfortable, but you let me know if you are. Little attachment here. Okay. Alright, I am just gonna look in both ears, okay? Awesome. Okay. Any questions? Okay. I'm gonna pull this ear back. Oh, I think I see the culprit. There's a lot of cerumen impaction, wax buildup. Yeah, but I think that's all that is because I can't even see your tympanic membrane right now. Yeah, no, that's okay. Let me take a quick look at this one. Yep, it appears to be the same thing going on there. Okay. Yeah, no, that's okay. That totally makes my job easier. I'm just glad you don't have permanent hearing damage. Yeah, so what we're going to do is I'm going to put a towel. We'll start with this ear if you want, but we're basically just going to flush that out for you. Yeah. So I'm going to just put a towel here. I'm just going to take some saline, and we are going to totally flush that out of the system, okay? Oh yeah, don't feel embarrassed. This happens at least 3-4 times a day. Like I said, I'd rather this be the problem. Okay, we're gonna just flush your ear now, okay? 1, 2. Okay, we're gonna kind of keep doing that here. So it's probably gonna take a few different tries here, but you let me know if you're too uncomfortable. And of course, we'll dry your ear after once we get all the wax out. But this flushing is definitely working. You feel like you hear better already? That's good. There you go. Good job. Alright. I think we've cleared that ear. Let me try out just the outside first. Okay, then let me remove this towel to set it up for this ear, okay? Now we're gonna flush this one for you. Pardon my reach. feels super relaxing in a way. There you go. Almost done for this ear. You're doing great. And there it is. That blockage came out. All right. So what I'm going to do is let me kind of dry off the outer part of this ear for you. There you go. Just gonna take some minute cotton swabs, just kind of soft drying the outside ear for you. Okay, let's do the same for this ear. Feeling better? Can hear you now? It's awesome. Okay. So we're all good to go there. I'm just going to put a little drying mist here. Kind of dry out that ear. Yeah, it kind of tickles a little bit. Okay, let's do the same thing with this ear. Perfect. One final cleanup. Perfect. Alright. Those ears are now clean. And then let me take one more look at each side to make sure that there's no internal ear infection. Very good. Let me look at this side. Very good. Awesome, awesome. Gosh, I am so happy for you that that's all that was. And hopefully you're feeling a lot better too. Good, good, good. Love to hear it. So yeah, you just kind of want to not use Q-tips ever. You know what I mean? When you're out of the shower, maybe take like tissue or whatever and just kind of use your finger on the outside. Q-tips, so many people use, but definitely don't want to go down that path, okay? Just gonna get your station cleared here. I don't think you'll need any scripts, but do you have any questions at all? Okay, good. I'm glad you feel better. Let me take this from here. I didn't get anything on your shirt, right? All right, let me remove this. Fix your hair there a little bit. There you go. All right, very good. Wow, that is all that you needed today. If there's nothing else that you need from me, I am gonna go and give you some privacy, and then you can see the front desk staff and check out. Okay. Awesome, awesome. It was a pleasure seeing you.